But you can see, guys, it must have been a real bad storm last night down on the beach. But you can, what you can do about it. They'd be perfect for the fishing, huh? You can see how far you can cast out without getting snagged. Oh, just like this thing, guys, might be a sea fishing. Doing some free sea fishing sometime probably next week. So stay tuned for that one, guys. And also, there's a big, massive thank you to the 3 new people to subscribe to me. I really appreciate it. But to the next thing, guys, keep on fishing and be safe.